Hello viewers, welcome to my channel MathComp. So today I'll be getting into the topic of computer with the interesting topic called software. So I'll be explaining you today the three major things, that is what is software, the types of software, that is system software and application software, and the examples of system software and application software. So let me get into the topic. What is software? See how your computer runs. Have you ever imagined how your computer runs? Yeah, guys, it runs only by the software which is installed in your computer. The software is a set of instructions. That is, it's a procedure. It tells us how to on the computer. Then it tells to you to choose the user and enter the password for that user. Then afterwards you go click on the start button. Then you click on the MS Paint to work in MS Paint. So these are the set of instructions to be followed. This set of instructions are being followed and it is converted into programs. These programs helps in operates the computer for doing some specific task. That is, you need to do MS Paint. You need to create a paint. So it creates only a specific task for it. So it does only the specific task for the given task you will do. You will work. So this software helps in doing some specific tasks as well. So in simple terms, we can say software is a collection of programs that performs some specific tasks. Software is or in other words, software is a set of instructions, data, or programs used to operate computer and execute specific tasks. So you understood what is software. Now let me get into the topic of its classification. Software is broadly classified into two types. That is application software and system software. So let me talk to you about what is system software. System software is the one which is your OS, that is your operating system. It helps you to operate your system, control the system, and extend their processing capabilities. So these are the three major work done by your system software. So the system software is a collection of programs which is designed to operate, control, and extend the processing capabilities of computer itself. Understood? So what the computing system software, it helps in running the operating system. That is your PC, that which is installed. You have different types of operating systems as well. So now let me talk about the next topic, that is application software. Application software is a software which is designed only for a particular need. A client or a customer needs a specific application. That is example, let me take WhatsApp. WhatsApp is an application. There is no need for WhatsApp to run the background, like you need to save energy battery, sorry, you need to save battery, you need to increase or decrease your brightness. These all things that does not work in what WhatsApp. Only the thing what you can do in WhatsApp is you can chat, video call, or you can update some photos and we upload some photos and videos, or you can call and speak to each other. These are the three, these are the major things done in it. So you can't run the operating system of that. So it's a separate software. With the help of system software, we run the application software. So what is application software is? Application software are the softwares designed to satisfy a particular need of a particular environment. This is called as application software. Okay. Now let me give you the examples of system software. You see many pictures, right? Microsoft Windows, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows Vista, Macintosh, Red Hat, Ubuntu, Android, Linux, Microsoft Windows 95. All these are nothing but the operating systems which are used to run your computer, right? This iOS, Macintosh, all these are your Mac products. Android, you see in your basic phones, this is the Apple iPhone products or iMac. That Microsoft, this all are Microsoft products. It is also an operating system. Ubuntu is an operating system, Red Hat, Linux, and you have even Unix. There are different types of system software. These are a few examples of system software. So by this you understand these things. Microsoft Windows helps us to run the computer, right? So these are the few examples of system software. Okay, next let me take you into the topic of application software. These are the various varieties of application softwares we have. You have different software to do different tasks, right? See here you have Word Online. It is used to create a Word documents. Gmail, which is used to send messages, attachments, etc. So you do get Gmails, Google Documents to view the documents, to type some documents, all those, gallery, that is your photo book viewer, all those. So these are the various, even Flipkart, Amazon, etc. are also an application software which is used for online purpose of selling or buying. It is used. So there are different types of software. So I think you understood this. What is software in detail? I have explained the two broad categories of application and system software. So you understood, I believe. So if you like the video, please do like it. If you have any queries, please do comment. If you and like the video, and you if you think it's very useful, please do share the video to your friends, and don't forget to click on the bell button so that you get more videos. And thanks for watching it.